Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to delete a course in Duolingo. To begin, open your preferred web browser on a desktop or laptop computer. Then, navigate directly to the Duolingo website and log in using your account credentials. Remember, this specific action cannot be performed within the mobile application. Making sure you are logged into the correct account is the very first critical step. Once you are logged in, locate your small profile picture, positioned conveniently in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Give that a gentle click to reveal a small drop-down menu. From this menu, simply choose the option labeled Settings to proceed. This action will take you to your personal settings page, where you will find various account management options. Within your settings page, you will need to scroll down a bit until you locate a section clearly labeled as Learning Path or sometimes Courses. Here, you will see a list of all the language courses you are currently enrolled in. Carefully find the particular course you intend to remove. Beside each course, you should see a small, usually red, button to initiate its deletion. After clicking the Remove button, a small yet important confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This window serves as a final check, asking you to confirm your decision. Please take a moment to read the warning message carefully, as all your progress within that specific course will be permanently lost. To proceed, simply click the button confirming you want to remove the course.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.